How to make a parametric modular kitchen casework in Revit. Part 19, tall unit, one door, adding shelves. Let's start. Open tall unit, one door from our previous tutorial. Go to reference level. Create reference plane. Dimension. Okay, select the dimension, create new parameter, type shelf depth. Okay, next go to family types, change the shelf depth value to 500 millimeter. Let's move the parameter down, apply, okay. Then go to front elevation. Okay, let's delete this reference plane, we don't need this. Delete. Okay, next create reference plane. Let's draw two reference plane for our two shelves. Okay, dimension, select this reference plane, this reference plane, this reference plane, and this reference plane. Okay, make it equal, then create reference plane, draw reference plane below the reference plane. Okay, dimension. Okay, select the dimension and make it 20 millimeter. Okay, select the dimension and lock. Dimension. Okay, select the reference plane, change the dimension to 20 millimeter. Select the dimension and lock. Okay, next let's create an extrusion. Select the rectangle, draw a two rectangle. Okay, select a line, select this reference plane, select the line, lock, select, lock, select the reference plane, select the line, lock. Okay, next select this reference plane, select the line, lock. Okay, select the reference plane, select the line, lock. Okay, finish the extrusion. Then select the shelves, go to properties, material, pick the button and select the module finish. Graphics, visible, pick the button and create new parameter. Type two shelves. Okay, then reference level, move the shelves inside the module. Okay, select a line, select this reference plane, select the edge of the shelves, select the reference plane, select the edge and lock. Okay, go to 3D view. Let's check the wireframe. Okay, select the shelves. Okay, then next go to family types. Let's test the width, change it to 800. Okay, let's go back to 600. Then Go back to front elevation. Let's create a reference plane for 3 shelves. Okay. Then dimension, select this reference plane, the 3 reference plane, and this reference plane. Okay, pick, make it equal. Then let's create an extrusion. Select the rectangle, draw 3 rectangles. Okay, next select the align, select this reference plane, select the line, lock. Okay, select the line and lock. Okay, select reference plane, select the line and lock. Okay, then select this reference plane. Okay, next dimension. Okay, select this line, make it 20 millimeter. Select the dimension and lock. Okay, dimension. Okay, select this line, make it 20 millimeter. Select the dimension and lock. Okay, one more dimension. Select the line, change it to 20 millimeter. Select the dimension and lock. Okay, pick, then finish the extrusion. Then go to material, select the module finish. Go to visible, pick the button and create new parameter. Let's type 3 shelves. Okay. Okay. Next, go to reference level, move the shelves inside the module, move the arrow. Okay, then select align, select this reference plane, select the edge and lock. Select this reference plane, select the edge and lock. Okay, let's check the 3D view. Okay, then go to family types, let's change it to 800. Okay, good. Then next, go to family types. Let's move the 2 shelves parameter down. Okay, the 3 shelves, move the parameter down. Okay, then save the family. Okay, let's load it into our sample project. Insert. Okay, insert the tall unit. Okay, then align, select the surface of the wall, select the back surface of the unit. Okay, select the unit, let's move the unit. Okay, move. And next, let's create similar. Okay, space to rotate the unit. Okay, select the unit, go to edit type and let's create a new type. Okay, for this type we turn off the door and turn off the two shelves. Okay, then align, select the side surface, select the side, select this front surface. Okay, then select the unit, mirror, select the side surface. Okay, mirror, select the side surface, mirror, select the side surface, then mirror. Okay, next, match properties, select this unit, select this unit. Okay, then let's add the tall unit and panel. Okay, insert, space to rotate. Okay, align, select this surface, select this surface, select the side surface, select the side surface. Okay, right click, create similar. Okay, then align, select the side surface. Okay, select this unit, go to edit type, let's change the top trim finish to oak white, same with the door panel. Okay, then let's change the top trim height to 0.4 meters, apply. Okay, then select this unit. Okay, let's change the top trim finish to oak white, go to search, type oak, then select the oak white door, then top trim height 0.4 meters. Okay, next, select the end panel, then change the top trim height to 0.4. Okay, okay, select the line work, select the invisible, let's clean up the lines, double click. Okay, to hide the lines. Okay, double click. Okay, okay, done. Thank you.